the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again.
Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing how I made this watermelon burst whip foaming body scrub. There are only a few ingredients and I'll show you the step-by-step method that I use. The one thing that I wanted to share before I start my video or show you how I create this formulation, make sure you clean the area that you're working in. What I use is bleach and water, and I cleaned off the area, and I also keep in my bottle some alcohol to make sure that I'm continuing to sterilize the area, because you want to make sure that you don't contaminate the product. I also make sure that I wear gloves, I wear a hairnet, and if you have an apron that you can put on, that's also important. You want to make sure that the area is nice and clean. So make sure you watch the entire episode, like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other information you'd like me to share. My goal is to share how I create all of my products. I also sell body butters and body oils, and so I'll show you how I make those, and I'll be providing information on how I started my business and how I run my business and what I do on a regular basis to keep my business running and functioning properly. So thank you guys for watching, and like I said, hit that like button, comment, and give me your positive feedback. Thanks. Let me tell you about this first time when I discovered the magic of self-care routine. I had one of those super stressful weeks where everything just piled up. Work, family, you name it. By Friday night, I was totally drained. Then I remembered I had this new body scrub I'd bought but never used. So I set up my bathroom like a mini spa with candles and everything. The moment I started scrubbing, it was like all the stress just melted away. It was a little reminder that sometimes we just need to take a step back and pamper ourselves. Now, making my own scrub feels even better because I know exactly what's in it, and it's just this perfect mix of exfoliation and luxury.
We were all in all and off and on a waterfall. Won't you stop, 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 seriously stop, whoa, drop the flop, your cover's blown. And what did you think I would not find out? You with him last night, drop the flop, your cover's blown. I'm on frozen, darling, my eyes flash hot, you stalling. Like a waterfall, I'm drifting up this drop. It's goodbye forever, I promise you I'll find some better. Oh, what goes around comes back around, so buckle down. I'm on frozen, darling, my eyes flash hot, you stalling. Like a waterfall, I'm drifting up this drop. This is goodbye forever, I promise you I'll find some better. What goes around comes back around, so buckle down. I know that when time shows up, you overboard this waterfall. Oh, this waterfall. You play for death, reaching out and pulling back from all this waterfall. So won't you stop, 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 seriously stop, whoa, drop the flop, your cover's blown. And what did you think I would not find out? You with
Let's talk about the benefits of using a foaming body scrub. Not only does it exfoliate your skin by gently removing deep skin cells, but it also deeply cleanses, leaving your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. The foaming action adds a luxurious creamy lather that helps hydrate and soften your skin while you scrub. This combination of cleansing and exfoliation promotes healthy skin renewal, improves circulation, and enhances absorption of moisturizers. Perfect for keeping your skin glowing, soft, and silky smooth.
Shortfall, you are breaking down my wall. Now I'm a waterfall. As I recall, we were all in all and off and on the waterfall. Won't you stop, 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 seriously stop, whoa, drop the flop, your cover's blown. And what did you think I would not find out? You with him last night, drop the flop, your cover's blown. I'm unfrozen, darling, my eyes flash hot, you stalling. Like a waterfall, I'm drifting off this drop. It's a goodbye forever. I promise you I'll find some better. Oh, what goes around comes back around, so buckle down. I'm unfrozen, darling, my eyes flash hot, you stalling. Like a waterfall, I'm drifting off this drop. This is goodbye forever. I promise you I'll find some better. What goes around comes back around, so buckle down. I know that when time shows up, you overboard this waterfall. Oh, this waterfall. You play that for death, reaching out and pulling back from all this waterfall. So won't you stop, 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 seriously stop, whoa, drop the flop, your cover's blown. And what did you think I would not find out? You with him last night, drop the flop, your cover's blown. I'm unfrozen, darling, my eyes flash hot, you stalling. Like a waterfall, I'm drifting off this drop. It's just goodbye forever. I promise you I'll find some better. Oh, what goes around comes back around, so buckle down. No, no, no. I'm frozen, darling, my eyes flash hot, you stalling. Like a waterfall, I'm drifting off this drop. This is goodbye forever. I promise you I'll find some better. What goes around comes back around, so buckle down.
You should use a body scrub 2 to 3 times a week for most skin types. This frequency helps exfoliate dead skin cells and maintain smooth, healthy skin without over-exfoliating, which can cause irritation or dryness. If you have sensitive skin, start once a week and see how your skin responds. Always follow up with a good moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. This watermelon sugar scrub has a vibrant, juicy scent which instantly uplifts your mood, making it perfect for a refreshing start or a calming end to your day. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out our next one where we'll show you how to make an amazing eye mask. Don't forget to like, comment,